Whether or not, you know, something else. Oh my God! What the f?
שבכל מצב שהוא הבית הוא ידע לך בני
Ебать, в рот! Да ну нахуй! А, блядь! Ебать!
Да ну нахуй!
Ёбаный в рот!
Зеркало нам снесли только.
Ой, блядь!
Мы отделались.
Слышь, да ну нахуй!
Я в...
Not. He was going to murder her. There was nothing she could have done. Detectives met with asset protection officers at the Walmart just 3 days after the confession and saw it all on surveillance footage. Scott had purchased nearly $500 worth of items, including food, several cartons of cigarettes, and blue tennis shoes. And then there were the most incriminating items.
Holy shit,
A utility knife with a
Golly, dude. Wow. That guy owes me a new brake pad.
But you can't go now. Fuck. Maybe you can move.
Fuck me.
Oh my fucking God!